Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to create and manage a bill of materials or BOM in the production planning module. Open the production planning module, go to BOM, and click Create to add a new bill of materials. Start by selecting the product group, then choose the finished product for which you want to create the BOM. If you're creating a large assembly with many components, you can save time by importing the complete parts list using Upload Excel or CSV with the provided sample template. Now begin adding the components required to manufacture the finished product. Enter each component's article code and quantity. The system automatically fetches the raw material cost based on the configured costing method, reducing manual effort and ensuring accurate costing. You can continue adding as many components as required to complete the product structure. If your product includes accessories, spare parts, or optional items, you can add them under additional products and specify their respective cost percentages. You can also configure packaging separately so that packaging expenses are included in the overall manufacturing cost, giving you a complete and accurate product cost. Once all the required information has been entered, click Save. After saving, the BOM opens in the Edit screen. Here you'll find the tab selector for purchase term and stock lot. Since every component is linked to its item master, OEMup can calculate raw material costs using either of these costing methods. If purchase term is selected, the system considers the highest purchase price available for that item. If stock lot is selected, the raw cost is calculated using the average cost per unit from the available stock lots. This gives you the flexibility to calculate manufacturing costs based on your preferred inventory valuation method. On the BOM listing page, you'll see three important cost values. Raw cost represents the total material cost. Operational cost is calculated from the attached routing and workstation operations. And total cost is the combined value of the raw cost and operational cost, giving you the complete estimated manufacturing cost of the finished product. If you've already created a similar BOM, you don't have to build it from scratch. Simply use Copy BOM to duplicate an existing bill of materials. You can also attach a routing during the process to connect the BOM with its manufacturing operations. The Copy BOM feature is especially useful when creating similar products or sub-BOMs, helping reduce repetitive work and speed up the production planning process. After copying, you can easily modify quantities, add new components, update existing items, or remove unnecessary parts to match the new product requirements. As you make changes, OEMup automatically recalculates the total material cost in real time, giving you an accurate production cost estimate before manufacturing begins. Once your BOM is complete, click Save. Your bill of materials is now ready to be used for production planning, work orders, and purchasing. You can also download the BOM as a PDF for documentation or export it as a CSV for further analysis or sharing. That's how